Good morning, children. Children, were all the syllabus completed now? And last chapter I had not given the question answer. So today I will start from this chapter as the revision section, and this PDF question answers PDF I will send you in broadcast group. So let's discuss some questions here of chapter number 7, computer ethics, crime and security. Here some extra questions are there, so you have to write down in your notebook extra questions also. So first one is, name the symbol of copyright. So copyright symbol, it is given here under the circle C, is the symbol of copyright. Then, which rule or method say that what is right and what is wrong? It means ethics say that what is right and what is wrong. Name the people who were involved in computer crime. These are the people: hackers, crackers, virus programmer, and breaches. These are the people who involved in computer crime. Who involves in computer virus and password cracking, software and breaches. What is computer security? Computer security includes procedures and techniques that are designed to protect a computer from accidental or intentional theft, unauthorized access, or manipulation. This is known as the computer security. Then, what is referencing? It is unlawful and unethical to use them without the permission of owner. If someone's material is downloaded and used, you must acknowledge the author sincerely. This is known as referencing. It means without permission, you are not supposed to download any others software. First, you have to ask if the author will give you the permission to download. You can download, but if without the permission of that author owner, it is unlawful and unethical. And if you are giving the acknowledge to authority sincerely, so it is known as referencing. Then what is computer crime? Computer crimes result from the deliberate tampering with data and information. It means if someone is uh, getting the means stole the information from one computer to another computer, so it is known as a computer crime. What is privacy? Privacy means user does not allow to view or access one's computer data or information. This can be by using some password to save their computer from other view. It means that privacy means user does not allow to view or access one's computer data or information. It means suppose you are having computer and you had put the password there. So without your permission or without anyone's permissions, another's computer you are not supposed to open and see their data. Then multiple choice question. Fill up and beliefs fill up our beliefs and rules static what is right and what is wrong. Answer is ethic. Copyright means all right reserved. Acknowledging the other for downloading and using the material is called referencing. The symbol is for copyright. Pirated software may contain viruses. Which of the following is not a computer software breach? Here, which one is copyright? When someone copies software without the appropriate license or each copy, it is called end user piracy. Fill in the blanks. Software piracy is the illegal reproduction and distribution of software. Computer security includes the procedure and technique that are designed to protect the computer system. It is unethical to infringe the privacy of other people without their consent. Quiz. Give any two examples of computer crime, hacker and cracker. Name the different form of software piracy. Software piracy, counterfeiting, end user piracy, online auction piracy, internet piracy, pre-installed software piracy. This all the list is given in the book. You can find the answer in the book also. Very short question answer. What are the limitation of a pirated software? Some of the limitation of pirated software are: no warranty protection, can contain viruses. What are the what does a copyright symbol indicate? It means all right reserved. This symbol shows the material to be the sole um, role property of the owner. It is unlawful and unethical to use them without the permission of the owner. Define the term ethics. Ethics are belief and rules. These rules state what is right and what is wrong. Short answer question. Explain the importance of ethics. Ethics are important in our day-to-day life also. The advancement of technology make it possible for unethical and criminal activities to be carried out in a more sophisticated way. Children should thus be aware of moral and ethical issue and must develop a good sense of social responsibility. Then what are intellectual property rights? Property is anything with on you have rights over your property. It is protected by law. Similarly, ideas and thoughts produced by the mind are also protected by the law. It is illegal to use them without the permission of the owner or producer. The rights related to literary or artistic work, inventions, and discover are called intellectual property rights. What is the difference between hacker and cracker? A hacker is a person who breaks into a computer system to get illegal access to the information stored there. A hacker may not cause any harm to the system or organization, but hacking is still illegal and unethical. A cracker is a person who breaks into a computer system just like a hacker with the intention to steal password files or programs or for unauthorized use. They may sell the information to some other people for money. Crackers cause financial damages to an organization. Then come to the long answer question. What is software piracy? Explain the different forms of software piracy. Software piracy, it is a illegal reproduction and distribution of the software and application. Software piracy has a significant impact on the economy. It leads to job losses and revenue loss to the software companies. The different forms of software piracy are end user piracy, internet piracy, pre installed software piracy, counterfeiting, online auction piracy. Then explain this mean it all the long answers you have to learn about end user piracy means all the piracies you have to learn. And then explain security breaches. Security breaches means it is viewed as disaster for the user because they can cause serious damage to both the individual users and the organization. Such damage may include loss of revenue, sometimes valuable data, lost productivity loss, and many more, which may even lead bankruptcy also. Then computer security breaches are broadly divided into following categories. Means first, hardware breaches, both intentional and accidental. Means sometimes the cable modems, phone lines are often vulnerable to security breaches. It means if you want to take the other data, so you can do with the help of this. Then software also, it means cracking and hacking the password. Then network are also transmitted, means nowadays if you someone are calling means talking each other with the help of phone, to some trapped also with the help of this technology. Then natural disaster means the hurricanes, earthquake also, it caused the security breaches. The computer security controls are established and implemented to reduce security breaches. So these are the last chapters question answers. I will send you the PDF in a broadcast also. So write these question answers and prepare for your exam. Thank you.